out here in this fall weather, beautiful weather. It's a little cool, and just harvesting some carrots today. Just gonna do a quick pull. This whole bed was full of carrots, and I've just been kind of working my way through them, harvesting the carrots and the ferns. And the ferns I normally dry and dehydrate, and I use them just like parsley in soups and stews and spaghetti sauces and everything else. So it's a good way to use up your ferns. They have a lot of vitamins and nutrients, vitamin C, magnesium, iron, potassium, and carrot tops are actually one that provides extra. There are like certain chemicals in that to help with age degeneration in the eyes. So, just keep that in mind and definitely use them. There's some really nice sized carrots here. So far I'm at, that's just a weed. So far I'm at a little over 3 pounds of carrots. So this is definitely a good harvest this year. Definitely got some little ones in there that didn't grow too big, but that's fine because we'll still use them. This one is a little oddly shaped. Sometimes you pull them out like that. I had one previously that was more so shaped like a like 2 legs. So, but that's okay because they're still edible. So nice sized carrots. These are the Bolero variety. These I do get from Johnny's. If you're interested and wanted to know what kind of carrots these are, they are the Bolero carrots. I like these carrots. They always come out pretty good size, and they're always very sweet. So alright, so I am back. I had to walk my daughter out. She's actually heading out to a cider mill today with some friends, so I had to go and walk her out. But back to the carrots. So I am pulling this bed of carrots, and I'm pulling them now because this is the bed that I normally plant my garlic in. So I wanted to give it, a rest in between the planting. So I wanted to go ahead and get my carrots out, go ahead and clean out the bed. You can see all of the clover and the weeds and, things like that. And then I'll go ahead and I'll amend the soil, and then I'll let it rest a little before I go ahead and then I plant my seeds, my next year season's garlic. I typically like to plant my garlic the last week of October, and I'll do a video on that in the future. But I'll go ahead and pull the rest of these carrots. There's just a few left. I do plan on doing a more comprehensive video next year on how I plant my carrots. But again, these are the Bolero variety, and I typically plant my carrots anywhere from, I would say, 6 inches, 6 to 8 inches, probably more closer to 6 inches apart. Sometimes, of course, you have seed that drop, into the soil sooner than that, and I just normally leave them. And once they start sprouting, if I have to go through and just kind of thin a little bit, then that's fine. But if I end up missing any, then that's fine too. I don't stress out about it. If it's a carrot that grows, on the smaller side, let's see, like this one here, that's fine because I still use the ferns. So nothing goes to waste. I try to use everything that I can, in my cooking, and these ferns here, because I do have enough in the house that are dried and that I need for my winter seasoning pantry. These ferns, these nice green ferns, actually will be chopped and dropped into my bed number 1. I've already chopped and dropped in bed number 3, bed number 2, so now it's bed number 1's turn. So they'll get some really nice nutrients in that from these composting ferns over the winter. So this is today's carrot harvest. This is one of 4 out of this entire bed. If you can see, this bed is 4 by 4, so 16 square feet. And so I typically split the bed in half, in quarters, and then I harvest and then I dry the ferns. But this is today's harvest. And this is what the carrots look like once they've been rinsed. Very nice. And so here we are, bed number 1. We're going to chop these ferns into the bed. There you go. And that's how I chop and drop my carrot ferns. Alright guys, we are going to end this video here. We are in the process of wrapping everything up, as you can see, for the winter. We are getting the garden all shut down, covered up, and buttoned up. And we have one bed left at the back where we just pulled those carrots, and we will get it ready for our garlic planting. We have about a week and a half left, and after that, that will be it. So stay tuned. More to come here on Tilly's Lovelies. Bye.